Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to have our demolition round. The round is judges, please light up your fire extinguishers. I need to see some fire extinguishers. Okay. In that case, we have fire extinguishers in play. Competitors that are in the demolition round, if you hear me at any time say the word stop, match is over, emergency or red, you must stop operating the vehicle as soon as possible. If you see fire or smoke emitting from the ring, you must also stop, please. Thank you very much. We hope this demolition match is very enjoyable for everybody. And ready, then, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Are we just gonna stay back?
Oh, we have Assassin going against.
Oh my god.
No, this takes out one of the robots. Oh, look at that power train on that thing.
Oh, yeah! I can't see over the people.
Oh my god. Oh wow. Goliath really does not let go, but it seems as if Goliath has managed to take Nerve out. Goliath is now going in a hunting pattern. Or everybody else might be declared as disabled.
Get him!
If you're just joining us right now, you came right in the nick of time. We do have the demolition round active.
What?
That is lots of robot-on-robot action.
Huh? Like, oh, it's not white.
Are the battery packs now dying out? Does it look as if we have...
Yes!
Oh no! That's still live.
Yes, I
That does not sound good.
Goliath, please. Goliath, please. Oh my god.
It seems that both teams are ganging up on Goliath.
Oh, what?
We can take him! We can take him!
I see, all right.
Come on, get up.
What? Come on.
Stop competition, stop. We have a little bit of an issue. One of our panels has come off the door. Safety first, Clark, safety first. All right, here it comes up. All right, on the count of 3, resume. 3, 2, 1, resume.
Did they?
Lost the wheel! The green one's Oh yeah! Oh come on, dude!
Kill it!
Oh, yes!
That mechanic driver on my stand right now. Yo, flip him! Yo, flip him! Oh, come on, dude!
Wow, one of the robots has lost their wheel.
Grown man.
It looks as if there are only 2 robots remaining in the competition. 2 robots remaining in the demolition round.
Double tap.
All right, we have 2 competitors left, Annihilation and ITR Goliath. Those are the only 2 robots that are still active in the demolition round.
Is he aiming?
Are they active?
Maybe they're not active anymore. Never mind. It seems as if Annihilation has maybe lost a bearing. Annihilation is hiding behind Goliath. I guess you can't slay this giant.
Oh my god.
It's slowly creeping out. We have ourselves an old-fashioned showdown. Will Goliath be able to ram Annihilation before it retreats? It's inching forward. Every time it inches forward, it loses power.
Get him!
It seems as if Annihilation is going to back out of this demolition match. We do need contact. If there's no contact, oh, stop, dead. Wait. Again, the robots are going after our little lexicon. All right, there we go. All right, resume.
Get him!
Hit him!
All right. Whoever gets the next major hit will win the demolition round. The next major hit wins.
I think that's major. Come on.
ITR Goliath is taking home the demolition prize winner.
Oh, bells?
Any real data?
Is that what that little spark was? Yeah. I thought it was the live video.
Oh, wow.
Ah!
So we showed it in the, like, the region.